Okay, so we are looking at law of sines. Okay, to do a law of sines problem, it's all about trying to make sure we set up a proportion that looks something like this. We need 3 of these that we do know, and we have 1 unknown. Okay, it could be those 3. The unknown could be here, here, or here. As long as you have the other 3 pieces, it can be solved using law of sines. Okay, so you need 3 of the 4 pieces. So here we go. We always want to put our body where the angle is at, and we want to shine the light basically on the opposite side. So if I'm shining the light over here on CB. Okay, let's look at 22. I'm going to shine the light on the opposite side, known as AC. Almost like a flashlight, if you will, or a laser pointer. And then the last one is, whatever this angle C is, we're going to shine the light on 24. Okay, so I kind of did that weird. But angle C was shine the light on 24. Remember, we want to set up this proportion when we know 3 of these 4 pieces. Immediately looking at this, I can see that I'm looking to find AC. Okay, I'm looking for AC. That's this length right here. And it's going to be coming from the angle of 22 degrees. So we're going to put AC, which is this small little letter that you can put, this is the big B for the angle, and its opposite side, you can either put AC or you can put little b. Is going to be over the sine of the angle that it's shooting from. Now you tell me, I have 1 unknown right here. That means I must know these 4 pieces. You help me out. What other pieces could I use that I do know? 24? There you go, 24. And now you need angle C. I know it doesn't have it written there, but you will always be able to find it possibly to set up your I know 3 of the 4. Okay? You know 118, 22 is going to add with whatever C is to get 180. So just 118 plus 22 is 140. And if we subtract it, we know that C is 40 degrees. Law of sines is called law of sines because you use the sign. Okay? So now you can cross multiply or divide and divide to get B as your answer. Let me show you something just real quick. Because of the sake of time, I'm going to use something called the solve feature. I will solve this right here, comma, for B. My goal is to find the missing variable. I need this comma B at the end, so it will look for whatever that is equal to in this equation right here. Okay? Please make sure, if you've written that you help me out with these numbers, because I'm about to go to my calculator real quick. Well, actually, I'll just do it right now. Well, you kind of need to see the process. So let's go through it with the calculator. Menu 3, 1. Let me do that again. So menu 3 for algebra, 1 for solve. And I'm going to do control divide, and I'm going to set this proportion up. Can someone help me with the proportion that we set up? We said 24 over the sine of what? 40 degrees. Now it's in degree mode right now, but I'm going to overkill it by putting this degree symbol. In case you were in radian mode, I always tell my students to always do degrees no matter what, so you never miss it for that reason. And the other one is x over what? 22, or the sine of 22. That's correct, right? And then degrees. Degrees can be found at the pi button here, bottom left, and you see it on your screen in red. Select the degree symbol, and now you're going to say comma x. I know I use B, but you can use x and press control enter. So to 3 decimal places, it'll be x is equal to 13.987. Okay? So we're going to say this over here. The answer for AC is 13.987. There are no units. We're done. Are we good? That's how you can do that. Now look, the unknown value on this was the length of a side. This is very important, and I know we're going a little fast, but this is the length of a side. You can use solve feature. If the unknown was an angle, you have to use not the solve feature, but the in solve feature, okay, for the angle. And the way you do that is look at my calculator screen. You can just set it up the way you did and just press in, go back up and press enter to grab that, and then it will give you the answer of what it is. That's for an angle. Otherwise, it's menu 3-6, and you can get in solve that way. Go.
What was the first one? Menu 3 what?
Menu 3-1 for the first one for solve, menu 3-6 for in solve.